energy management, dynamic power tariffs, monitoring systems, national regulations for controlling PV and storage. The thing will get more difficult and more difficult. But maybe there's an easy way. Now we will find out. Hello, Mrs. Rust. I'm here at the booth of Solar Manager. Yeah, we're talking about energy management systems. When I walk around here on the fair, it seems to everybody has an energy management system. All the suppliers of inverters, storage batteries. What do you have, what they don't have?
Yes, I think someone calls it energy management system, but on my own, a really good energy management system have to be manufacturer independent. So it's really it's a big word at the moment. So the customers at home have a lot of devices. So they have one heat pump from the one manufacturer and the other inverter from another one.
And the storage battery.
Yes. And it has to fit together, and so I think it's really important that you be independent, and that is our really USP of that, because we have more than 500 devices integrated in our platform, and you can combine normally, I say 599
yeah.
Yes, so that you really can combine everything together. So you can have two inverters from different manufacturers, and you can combine it with our system. And for the installer, there's an important point, because he can also have a big monitoring system of the of both inverters, so he can really see the whole system. You don't have to go to the one manufacturer platform, another one, and can look if everything is fine at the household.
Yeah, that's really a mess in everyday work, that you have to switch all the monitoring systems from one supplier to the other, and you make a picture of the whole. Yes. And including sector coupling?
Yes, of course. So yes, you can put in our system inverters, we call about it.
Yeah, that's the
and
PV
also,
side. Yeah.
Yes, and also wall boxes, so the EV chargers, so you can also integrate them. Also different inverters, because sometimes you have one inverter of your business company and one private inverter, private EV charger, and you can combine them.
Yeah. Okay,
so, so heat pumps also, then the heating pipe, so this one, also the intelligent ones, some smart plugs, and yes, at least I think it was 1 year now. We also integrated dishwashers and wash machines.
And next is the fridge.
Yes, I think I don't want that when the sellers don't working, the fridge is going down. Yeah. So, but I think it's for the last point that you really can use your full solar energy. Then you can use also the dishwasher or the washing machine.
It sounds like a universe of devices.
Yes, it is.
How easy it is to install it? Can you tell me a little bit about, do you need a hardware or something like that?
Yes, of course. Yes, we're working with two different devices of hardware. So there we have one device that's only plug and play. You plug it in and then make an Ethernet and it works. And the other one is this one. You have to put it on the DIN rail. It has a little bit more connection. You can make the heating system directly on it. And we make it really easy, because normally here's a QR code on it. Yeah. You can scan it with the installer app. Put it together with the household's email address, and then you start to install it. And we say one installation is not more than 15 minutes you need for install the whole system. At last I had an inverter, and I made it in 90 seconds. So just 90 seconds to put it in.
This tiny thing is the core of your system.
Yes, that's the brain in the household, we say.
Okay.
That is really the brain, because yes, the brain, it makes it that everything works. It says, now let the heat pump going on, now let the car charging. So this is the brain of the household.
And it has to speak a lot of languages, because you're operating Europe-wide. Yeah. What are the European countries besides of Germany and besides of Switzerland, your Swiss company?
Yes.
So what's the new markets for you?
Yes, at the moment we are also in Austria, Luxembourg, the Netherlands, Denmark, and I think they are coming up some more in the next weeks and years.
Okay. Thank you very much. I hope you have a successful trade fair here. Much success with your customers.
Thank you.
Yeah. And if you want to know more about this tiny thing, please refer to the website.